Indeed, we are seeing an unbelievably robust economy here in the West. We have the good fortune of being located in Seattle, Washington, which, as you know, has been one of the strongest economies in the United States. We've had the good fortune of having Amazon, Microsoft, Starbucks lead the economy here, and it's all about jobs, and we're seeing it continue, which is great news.
And Kelly mentioned that his loan growth was up close to 4%, 3.5%, I think he said. Your loan growth in the fourth quarter was?
5% loan growth, and more importantly, from my perspective, 5% deposit growth. So we're seeing robust growth. The demand is there. I think we underestimate the impact of the tax cuts on business and on the economy.
Well, let me get to that.
It is really making a difference.
It has tax reform and the tax cuts have helped your company this year, or I should say in 2018. How much do you think that those lower rates are going to continue to help you into 2019?
I think it will be a continued tailwind for us. Mm-hmm. And I think the important thing that we're trying to do is not just take that all to the bottom line, but to use that and give back, not only to our employees. We gave a 5% increase to all of our employees, a permanent increase when the Tax Act was enacted, but to also to give back to our communities. So one of the things that we announced with the government shutdown is a quick relief loan for government workers. So government workers that are going without paychecks now, whether they're a current customer of Washington Federal now or not, they can come to us for a loan up to 90 days and 6 paychecks to help them bridge this gap in their earnings.
This is something you just announced earlier this week, an interest-free loan for those furloughed or I guess furloughed federal workers, right?
That is correct. It's interest-free for 90 days to help them get through what is a very difficult time. You think about it, they are really caught in the middle, and we feel for them. We're having record earnings, and we are the beneficiaries of the tax reform, so we said, why not give a little bit back?
You got to have a checking account to have this loan, correct, Brent? So you're hoping that perhaps you'll gain some customers in all this. What are the potential business impacts? Gain customers, but at the same time, there is some risk, even if it is small, that those furloughed employees may not get the full back pay, and you guys will be on the hook.
That is certainly true, but that's what we're in business to do. We are a bank. We underwrite our customers, and we believe these are good credit risks, and we're happy to take this credit risk. You know, our experience has always been when you bet on individuals to do the right things, if you take a little risk, they will step up and do the right thing. If I could, during the Great Recession, one of the things that's unusual of Washington Federal is we're a portfolio lender. So every single loan we make, we keep. And during the Great Recession, we modified some 3,000 mortgages, and we didn't have to follow HIMP or HARP or any government program, and 96% of those are performing. So really happy with the fact that we trusted our customers, and they have rewarded us, and I believe the same will be true here.
Let me just close it off. Earnings released earlier this week, up 10% from the same quarter a year ago. You increased the dividend. Very quickly, you mentioned at the top of the segment how strong the economy is in the immediate Seattle area. I think a lot of us are kind of not surprised to hear that. But you do business through a large swath of the Intermountain West. Are you seeing that same level of strength in, say, Arizona, Idaho, Nevada, other states you do business in?
Maybe not quite as strong as Seattle. We are disproportionately blessed, but I look at economies like Salt Lake City, Boise, Idaho, Dallas. They're doing really well.